In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dropbox Selective Sync. This feature allows you to choose which files and folders are stored on your computer, helping you save valuable disk space while keeping everything accessible online. Let's jump right in and walk through the steps on how to get this set up on your computer. First, start by clicking on the Dropbox icon in your system tray if you're using a Windows PC, or in your menu bar if you're on a Mac. This small Dropbox icon is typically located in the bottom right or top right of your screen and serves as your gateway to managing your Dropbox settings. Once you've done that, look up to the top right corner of the Dropbox menu for your avatar. This could be your profile picture or just your initials. It's here that you'll click to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Preferences. Selecting this option will direct you to a new window within Dropbox where you'll see several different tabs, each allowing you to customize your Dropbox experience. Next, navigate over to the Sync tab. This tab is particularly important as it controls how and what Dropbox syncs to your computer. It's your main tool for managing the selective sync feature. Now, depending on whether you're on Windows or Mac, there will be a slight difference in the steps. On Windows, you'll want to look for the section titled Selective Sync and click on the button labeled Modify. If you're on a Mac, look for a heading that says Select Folders to sync to this Mac, and similarly click on Modify. This action will open up a list of all the folders that are currently in your Dropbox. Here in the list, you'll see all the various folders you have in your Dropbox account. To manage which folders will take up space on your hard drive and which will remain online, simply check the boxes next to the folders you want to keep stored locally and uncheck those you prefer to keep in the cloud. This flexibility means you can always have access to your important files without them occupying room on your hard drive. After making your selections, the final step is to confirm and apply your changes by clicking the Update button or whatever equivalent button appears in your interface. Dropbox will take care of the rest, syncing only the files and folders you've selected. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your Dropbox storage through Selective Sync, ensuring you only store the data that's important to you locally and freeing up space on your computer. I hope this video has been helpful in getting you started with Dropbox Selective Sync. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!